geeky codes, and in this video we will find the cities weather using the weather map API. Weather map API is a open source API website which provides weather details from given a latitude longitude of that city, and using or on a specific API key we can find out the weather of a particular location. So we can get the API by creating an account on OpenWeatherAPI website by just clicking here, and you will be asked to sign up, and then you just to log in, and then go to your API keys. Here you can find out your API. Okay, and then you can just come here, and here this is this is the basic URL. This is basic URL, and this is latitude and longitude of the place you want to find out weather, and this is API key. Okay, so first of all, to check whether your API is working or not, you need a software called Postman, and by using that you can find out if your API is working properly or not. Okay, so let's just use it. Click on paste your API here, and click on send. So when you click on send, this software will send a request to the API, and that will fetch the data to here. As you can see that there is a dictionary kind of data, like coordinates are given here, like longitude is 77.209, that is what we have given here, and latitude is 28.6139, that is same as here, and this is weather. ID is 721, and main is haze, and it's like weather is hazy, and description is also haze, and then base is stations, and then main data is stored here with key as a main. Here temperature can be, you can see here is 296.22, and feels like 295.97, and all these. So as you can see here, your API is working. The API you are trying to access is working. So let's come back to our original Python code, and we will just click here. As you can see that it is successful, and so the main agenda of this video will be to find out the temperature extracted from this API. So we have created an account and found out our API key, and then we will do these things: submit JSON application and modules, and then we have generated a basic weather API URL by using this as a base URL, and then passing these things, passing these variables as a input, and then launch city and API key, and then we will update the basic URL API key with the city name, and then submit a recovery request using the applications.get method, and then okay. So here we have we open the URL using url open, and path is provided here, and then we will store the result in a response value. That is, response is a variable, and we will store the value of a URL open into response variable. So as we can see here, it is a response is a request type, HTTP response, and we will then find out what is stored in response. So what we will do is we will load the JSON file from the response, and then print the data keys. Here you can see that coordinate is the key, weather is key, and base is key. As we can see here that coordinate, this is a key, this is a key, and base, main, these are all the keys here, and then we can print the value for that. Okay, we are trying to print data dot values. So as we can see here that key values are printed here, and and values are printed here. Like longitude is 77.29209, latitude is 28.6139, and this is like this is the data we have found out from here. So like our data dot main, that is this, uh, yes, data dot main here. And we can see that data dot main, what will data dot main contain? It will contain these values: temperature to 96.22, and feels like this is data dot main. So let's print data, data main. Okay, as you can see, like it has a value of like this dictionary. Okay, and then what do we want to like find out here? We want to find out the temperature. So we will print data main and then temperature, and we will print it here. Like as you can see that the temperature is 296.22, and here it is 296.22. Okay, so like it is so easy to find out use a API to extract some kind of value, whether it is temperature or something else. You can easily find out, extract the data from using API, any API. So that's it about today's video, and you can subscribe the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, if you like it. Thank you.